press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello all, how are you? I hope that all are doing good. So today I am going to do the poem. The name of the poem is The Kite. It was written by Harry Bain. So let's say about the introduction of the poet. Okay. So Harry Bain, he was born on 24th September 1898 in Arizona, that is in United States. Okay. And he was one of the screenwriter and also children's author. Okay, his writing which is interesting about, and his works which is revolve around the children based writing. Okay, so then next let's see that the works of Harry Bain, that is The Trees, Halloween, and also The Little Hill. So these are the works of the poet called Harry Bain. So this is about. So let's see the poem of this today's poem. Let's see about the kite. So before I am going to explain about the poem, so let's read out the poem and try to understand and pronunciation, everything you should have to listen it carefully. Okay. So let's see here. The kite. Who don't like the kite? Everybody. So everybody likes the kite. So no other person, no other children, they just hate the kites. They are loving the kites which is colorful, which is flying in the sky. So let's see about the poem which is related to the kite. Okay. All of us like to fly kites. Have you ever tried to fly one? Read this poem about a kite as it flies in the sky. Okay, so read this poem. Each and every person love to fly the kites, is it? So which is colorful, which is very attractive. Okay, and each and every child is eagerly. So they're having a desire to fly the kites, is it? So I am going to read out first. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail, then soars like a ship with only a sail. As over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows, and its wings fill and up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a raggeder thing a never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. So first to develop the image of a kite. So the kites are like this, is it? So they have a string. Okay, so they have a string. So they have each and every kites, they have their own beauty, is it? Color. Here there is no color. Okay, just I have written some pic. So the color which is very attractive. Okay, so here the poet, he loves to appreciate the kite. Okay, he just appreciating, he just expressing his feeling towards the kite. So let's see how he was expressing his feeling. So how bright on the blue. So on the blue means what is the color of sky? Blue. Okay, so that is, he just compare the blue color to the sky. Okay, so that is how bright. So this kite is looking very bright on the sky. Okay, that is in a blue color. The sky which is full of blue color, so which is looks very bright. That is kite. Is a kite when it's new. So when the kite is very new, so it is looking very bright. It's very attractive. The color is very bright and very vibrant, is it? Then, you can see the sign, that is exclamation sign here in the line, in the second of the line. Okay, that means he just giving expression. So usually this sign, it symbolizes that it is expressing about emotions like feeling happy, sad, okay, or bored, then sudden feelings like excited, joy. Okay, so this is, so when you people look this symbol here in any of the lines or any of the lessons, it is called as a exclamation sign. This is called as exclamation sign. Okay. Here poet has used this sign which gives the expression. He is just expressing his feeling towards the kite, because when this kite is new, it is very vibrant, which is very bright. Okay. So you can see that in a summer season, you are in your granny's home. So you all people means with your friends and with your cousins, you just make the kites, is it, on your own way, and you just go on to the terrace and you start flying that kite, is it? So how the children are joy, they were love to fly the kite. Okay, so this is, and is a kite when it's new. Then with a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. Dive and dip, which means diving. Okay, you know, when a person which is diving in the water, how he was diving? He was directly, he was come into the water, is it? So that is called diving, which is means it is jump under the water, like how a person is going to jump under the water. So like this, the kite is a diving. Okay, it is dive. And a dip. Dip means when you dip something in a water or in a something. So like that, this kite is also dipping. Okay, in a air, in a wind. This is, it snaps its tail. You know, each and every kite has its tail. Snaps means quick breaking. Okay, so it looks like a quick breaking this tail. Snaps means quick breaking. Write down the meaning of the snaps, that is quick breaking this tail. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. Okay, so soar like a ship. You know, in a seashore, how the ships were going in the waves, okay, in the oceans, how the ships were moving. Like that, the kite is also moving in the air like a ships. Okay, so here you will get a figures of speech. Okay, you get a figures of speech. Means the poet is comparing this kite to something that is called simile. Okay, here like has used in this, that means simile. This is called as figures of speech. Figures of speech or poetic devices. Okay, so here the technique, the poet has used the technique when he was comparing something to something else. So there it is used as a like. Okay, so that is called as simile. Here simile, that is like. Then with only a sail, like the boat when they were sailing on the water, means on the sea, how it was. So like that, this kite is also sailing on a water, on like the shapes and like a boat. How it is going, like that it is also going in a air, flying in the air. As over tides of wind it rides. Even the tides means in a oceans there will be the huge blowing of wind. That is called tides, very like a storm, like a cyclones. Okay, so in that also the ships were moving ahead. Of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls. Gust means a strong gust means a strong sudden flow of wind. Write down this, a strong sudden flow of wind for a short time. Okay, so there is a strong wind blowing even on the shore, on the oceans, and also in air. So how it is going? The ships. So like this, the kite is also going. Okay, so it means the flow, flying. Climbs to the crest, highest point of wave. Okay, crest means like this, highest point of wave. This is called crest. Okay, on a ocean, on a sea, how the ships were going, because although there will be the wind is blowing, okay, then there is a strong waves. So waves, how it is very high point of the waves. So in that the ships and boats, they were crossing the waves. So like that the kite is flying in the air. Okay, so this is, so here the poet is comparing this kite to the ships and boat. Okay, then it seems to rest as wind falls. When wind is coming to stop, when wind is blowing very strong, it is diving, it is dipping, it is feeling like a gust and pulls. Then when the wind is relaxed, when it takes a rest wind, okay, so then what it do? It do the relax, it is in a rest. When string goes slag, you wind it back. String means, you know, there is a string. You have to, you just tie the string. Okay. So when you take back your string, you just tied it up. Okay. You just take it back, then and run it until a new breeze blows. So this kite is blowing, means it is flying in the air, and you just taking the string in your hand and you collected your string. Till then the new wind is not blowing, till then it is in a relaxed way, way. Okay, this is, and then its wings fill and up it goes. His wings, where is the wings? Its wings, the wings of a kite, it is going up and then it fills with the air. Then how bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. So again the lines were repeating at the end. Okay, so what it says, so it looks very bright on the blue. Blue means on the sky. Okay, the sky which is in blue in color. So it looks very bright when it is new. When the kite is new, it looks very bright. Okay, very bright, and the color is very vibrant. But a graded thing you never will see. A graded thing means it's a vigorous and violent. So you can't see the kite's quality, that is very violent. Okay, violent means harsh, very tough, hard. Those things you can't see the face of the kite. Okay, so you just loving to look the new kite. Always you just have to fly the new kites. Okay, so this is, you can't see that one. When it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. When it flaps means the wings is flapping. Okay, so flapping on the strings. So on the tree. So on the tree it is flapping to come down. It is trying to come down, is it? And then the kite will be go. Okay, it will be remain there. Otherwise it will be cut, otherwise it come to the earth, otherwise it will be fall away, is it? So you feel very happy when the kite color is very vibrant and it is very new one. When it is a very wild, when it becomes old, you can't take that kite. So you just wanted to leave that kite, is it? But when it is on the sky, you feel very happy. So this is about the poem. I hope that you all are understood this. This is the things, and here there are some of the words given, like working with the poem. List out the actions words in the poem. Dive, dip, snaps. So dive, dip, snaps, these are called as action verbs. Okay, these words which is do the actions. Actions means drinking, eating, like that. These are the words which is in an action. Find out the meanings of these words. So there are some words given and you need to find out the other words and you need to find out the meaning of those words. Then read these lines from the poem. So the next question is, read these lines from the poem. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. The movement of Tellus kite is compared to ship with the sail. This is called as simile. Can you suggest what or who the following action may be compared to? Okay, so here I have told you simile, it means that it is comparing to something else. Okay, the kite is comparing to the ships. So here there are some words given. He runs like, you can compare with somebody. Okay, he runs like, you need to form any sentences which is comparing with somebody. Then he eats like, she sings like, it shines like, it flies like. Okay, so like this way you need to construct your own sentences. Okay, you have to compare it. Try to make a kite with your friends. Collect the things required such as color, paper, newspaper, thread, glue, glue, a thin stick. Then that can be bent. After making the kite, see if you can fly it. Okay, so what your activity is, make the kite. So all are love to make the kites. So with the help of your friends or with your brothers and sister at your home, so prepare a kite with the newspaper or color paper, with the glue, with the thin stick, okay, which is easily bent, and then you see that the kite is going to fly or not, is it? So this is your activity from this poem. So this is about today's class and today's poem. I hope that you all are enjoyed this poem, and you may also try to fly the kite. Okay. So we will meet in the next class. Till then, all of you stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.